good? Hey, you good, dude?
Hey guys, it's Will. Welcome back to my channel. I'm a rideshare driver, and in this video, a rider throws up in my car. Every driver's dream. I just finished my classes, and after 9 months, I've been really excited to get back behind the wheel and move New Yorkers around the Big Apple. Nothing can possibly go wrong. Why did I call it the Big Apple? I don't know. Maybe I've been staying at home for so long that I felt like a tourist going outside. So yeah, on my first day back, somebody throws up. I thought he was on drugs or something when he was banging on the window. When I told my girlfriend what happened, she was like, yeah, when someone is banging on your window, it is universal for someone has to vomit. First of all, wow. Okay, party animal. Second, I asked other drivers and they had no idea what it means. And third, wow, good for this guy for trying to hold it in. I only had 2 other people throw up in my car before. One time, a guy tried to subtly open the window and let it all out. The other time, a girl said, I have to throw up. Blah. That was bad. That was terrible. It's almost, it's so, it's so bad it's good that I should leave it in. The girl said she had to throw up, and not even a second later, she was like, bleh.
Hello. Hey, good evening.
Good evening, right?
Yeah, how are you doing?
Perfect, thank you. Cool.
You good? Hey, you good, dude?
Stand right onto Broadway.
Let me get you paper towels. Give me a sec. There you go, brother. No worries. Let me come out and hand it to you.
I realized like what we were doing late, my mistake. I appreciate you holding it. I'm so sorry. It's alright, don't worry about it. I think I'm good. It's the first time I hung out with like a friend in a really, really long time. Oh my god. Apparently too much. How close are we? I think we're in here, right?
You have 5 minutes.
I feel a lot better. Thank you so much. No problem. Oh my god. Yeah, I think I'm okay. Oh my god. Oh, this is so humiliating.
Oh no, it's fine, dude.
If it was like 12 o'clock at night, it'd be one thing. It's like 7:30.
Man, we're living in weird times, like, anything goes, you know?
He's good, so we start driving again. I didn't see the speed bump.
Oh, fuck. Sorry about that.
I'm an idiot.
Stop.
Go for it. You need more?
No, go.
Alright. We're around the block.
Right?
Huh? We're around the block.
I'm sorry, dude.
It's fine. Honestly, you're doing really well for
I'm
growing up.
Please trust me, I'm gonna take care of you. God, holy shit. I got a Shake Shack. I haven't had Shake Shack in like a year.
Shit. Man,
What's your name?
I'm Will.
Will, thank you very much.
No problem, dude. I appreciate you saving it for outside the car, man. I'm scarred. Like, I had this one customer.
No, like, how long you been doing this?
How long? Like, on and off for 5 years.
So it's probably not your first time.
It would be second.
It's my first time being this absolutely incredibly drunk in an Uber.
You're handling it very well in comparison to how others would.
There's just gonna be like, yeah, about right here.
Alright. Have a good night, dude. Take
Well,
care.
thank you so much.
No problem.
Have a good night.
You too. Holy shit. Oh my god. Okay, so at first I wasn't really paying attention. I thought he wasn't wearing a mask. But like I saw him do the motion of put him on, and I don't really want to be the mask police. But anyway, I gotta check if he threw up in the car. This is my first day back in 9 months driving, and holy shit. This is just my luck, isn't it? I tried to be very nice to him. Shit. Gotta pull to the side somewhere and like check the potential area, because I can't take more customers like this. I don't smell anything. Fuck. He said he'll take care of me. I better see like a good tip. Well, I mean, if he left nothing in the car, I don't mind. Not a big deal. Alright, I can't pull to the side anymore, so I'm just gonna... Wow. Did he really not leave any throw? Holy crap. I don't think there's anything.
Shout out to this guy for writing me a generous tip. You really never know what may happen as a rideshare driver. If you are a gig worker, then consider signing up for Cover if you want to give your income extra protection. They replace 80% of your lost income if you can't work due to hospitalization, deactivation, and post-collision repairs. Sign up using my link in the description below and get 1 month free. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to upload a video every week. And by the way, f*** you, DoorDash.
Oh my god. Baby. Oh my god, this is so funny. Oh my god.
Look at